Ron Gordon with Open Road Technology. We're in a parking lot here in Hilton Head, South Carolina, and we have a pothole in the parking lot, which you have everywhere in the country. And what we've done is we've cleaned out the pothole, and we've taken cold patch. And we apply the cold patch, pour it into the pothole, and then we tap it down with the tapper to create compression. And the problem with cold patch, great product for, quick fix, but it's not going to last. The reason why it's not going to last is because you have a polymer that is a binder in the product that will just bond the cold patch together, and it will not bond the existing substrate. So what you have is a seam going all the way around, and this is why these patches don't work. They fail. If you have a freeze and thaw, forget it. 2 months, it's gone. So what we've done in our Open Road Technology maintenance plan for your roads and highways is we've developed a product called Fusion Max. What we're going to do is we're going to take our product, mix it up, 2-part system, and we're going to do an overlay on this. So now we're going to overlay it, and we're going to extend it to the existing asphalt substrate for bonding purposes. Once we do that, in 15-20 minutes, you're able to drive a car over it, and our product will keep this cold patch in place. It's been over 3.5 years now in our field test. So it could be, 10, 20 years. But the other product that we have is that we're going to do with a caulking gun is that we can go and put a bead of material around this, and that will seal it off, keep all the moisture out, totally waterproof, but the compressor strength is 7,100 psi, and that'll handle 90,000 pound load. So nothing's going to break that. So let's get at it. Okay, it's very important in handling our product, Fusion Max, that you wear disposable gloves and also protective eye gear. Okay. What I'm going to do is we're going to mix our material into a 5-gallon bucket, and then we're going to add hardener to it. I'm also going to add pigment because we want to try to match the existing substrate. Fusion Max comes in black, gray, and clear. Very color fast. Doesn't take much to color it, but you're able to match existing concrete substrates, asphalt, whatever. All right. Empty the contents of Fusion Max into your 5-gallon bucket. We're able to add 3 times the weight with sand or aggregate. Meaning, this 1 gallon weighs 8 pounds, we're able to add 24 pounds of sand to this, giving you 32 pounds of material, which we call asphalt mortar or concrete mortar. Next thing, 4 ounces of hardener in the material. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add pigment right now. We're using dry pigment, black and white. We're going to create a gray. It doesn't take very much to do this. Okay. Now we start up the generator, ready to mix. Now to clean off your pedal wheel, we use acetone, and that'll clean our product off of any utensils that you use, such as trowels, putty knives, and mixers. What I'm going to do is pour it in, get the trowel, start in the middle and you work your way out, getting these edges. pretty close. Color?
Yep.
Okay, need a little more material. Normally we do a 1/4 of an inch overlay.
You want to explain the difference between the two?
Okay, yeah. With this one, we really haven't moved any material out of here. Everything's just cracked through and through. So we pour the material right in the middle and then push down on the trowel, forcing the material to go into the cracks. So everything through and through will have a molecular bond.
So also put some mixed surfaces.
Also any trip hazards, like sidewalks, something like this. We're able to do this with our material.